and welcome. Honestly, my favorite thing about fall is capes. I moved to a city that had winter just so for the clothes, just so I could do the capes, just so I could do it all. And it's cape time, and it's really exciting. So let's talk about what capes, I want to show you a couple pictures first. This first one is Ferragamo. There's some beautiful capes out there. They're very, very pricey, all because of the fabric, clearly, and of course of the brand name. But this is just gorgeous. Then this next one is Valentino. Again, just beautiful, the detail. There's so many great things you can do with them. Then this third one I wanted to show you, it's right off the runways for fall 2022, is a long cape, and I love it. I just love it. It just depends on, what you want to do with it. And then of course this last one is Loro Piana, and we have that cashmere silk. So this whole goal of this webcast is to give you the confidence to sew on it. I know you can do it. 2 yards, it's amazing. This cape, if you look at it, is $5,600, $5,600. 2 yards is $500. What a savings. Big savings and easy. Look at this cape. What I loved about it is how the belt is coming out. And so I did that on this one. I'll just show you a few little things. It's very easy to do. Mine, it's fabric $57.39. The first thing I wanted to do was do like a test run. But this cape is exactly our 96 BJ's cape. It's like exactly, except that we have a hood. But most of the capes for fall have hoods on them anyway. The hoods are all over the place. So I decided to leave the hood. The only thing I'll show you what I did different in the front, because I like how this closed as opposed to the zipper. I felt like I just wanted to leave off the zipper. But I wanted to pair it with black. So I did black piping. You'll need 4 yards. I did black buttons. You'll need 4 of them. And I did black stitching everywhere just to kind of tie it in with the black. And then we're going to have a little promotion that we're going to run this weekend. If you buy the cape pattern, we're going to give you the 101 with it free at no charge. The 101 is the mock turtleneck, which I have on. I think it's a great look together. To me, if you have one, you should have the other. So if you buy the cape, we'll give you the turtleneck. Okay, that's through Sunday. We'll announce that in an email. Okay. So what I did, because I wanted this to fold back and be finished, I cut 4 of this front facing. Typically, of this front piece, there's 2 pieces. I cut 4 so that'd make a facing. And then I finished the whole front edge first and then sewed the piping in. So very easy to do. And then because I love how that belt is on that Loro Piana. You can go back and look at that. But see how it's open in the back? It's underneath in the back, but then it comes through. And so somewhere in here, you can try it on right around your waist. I just left a 2-inch opening so I could pull the belt through and then of course tie it, and this could be left open. I like this openness a little bit better than that closed neck of the Loro Piana, of the 5600. And then I love the cape. I loved having the cape as opposed to not having the cape. Hoods. I love hoods. I just love hoods. So I wanted to keep the hood on, and hoods are really popular all over the place this fall. So it's really appropriate to have a hood, and it works, and it doesn't say dressy or casual. It doesn't do any of that. Hoods are just really popular right now. So 2 yards does it. When I sewed it, again, I finished the hood. I sewed it on the neck edge. I finished the neck edge and finished the front so that all the raw edge was here. I put the piping in. I put the side panel on and hemmed it all. Sewed the buttons. It's so easy. And again, the whole reason I was doing this one, $57.39 is the fabric, is I wanted to do a trial run for my cashmere. I'm going to do the cashmere. I'll show it to you next week. I just haven't got the cashmere yet, but it should be in any day. I wanted to make it a little longer. So I like that fingertip length. And so you can see I'm probably going to add another 6 inches to the bottom. If you go back to that picture of that Loro Piana, it's right at her fingertips, and I like that length. And it doesn't really take any more fabric to do that. You can turn the pieces any direction. It doesn't make a difference. So I'm going to add a little bit of length, and other than that, I'm going to leave it exactly like it is. I love everything else. I love how I finished this part. I love the belt. Oh, the one thing I did with the belt is I did it in a contrast. And I did that purposely so you could see, because the picture is matching. Did you want the matching or did you like a contrast? Which did you like better? Remember, it's going to be black. So just all fun things, you guys. And you can't make any wrong decisions because this is even my trial and I love it. All right, so the goal is to have happy cashmere silk sewing from Silhouette Patterns.